In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add managers to Clickfunnels. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently invite new people to your account, control exactly what they can see, and give manager-level access where it's needed. First, you'll want to access your team settings inside Clickfunnels. Look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your workspace name. This opens up a list of teams connected to your account. Hover over the team you want to manage, then click on Team Settings. Once you're in the Team Settings area, look for the option labeled Team Members. Go ahead and select that. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see a button that says Invite a new team member. Click that to start creating the invitation. Next, you'll enter the basic information for the person you're inviting. You'll see fields for their email address, first name, and last name. Type in the email where they should receive the invite and then add their first and last name as you want it to appear inside your account. Make sure the email is accurate because this is where Clickfunnels will send the invitation link. Now it's time to set their workspace privileges, which controls what they can access and what they can do. You'll first choose which workspaces they should be able to get into. Use the Select Workspaces option to pick one or more workspaces that make sense for their role. For each workspace, you'll assign a user role. Reader is view only, so they can look around but not edit anything. Support or customer support is for people who handle support conversations and manage contacts. Affiliate manager is ideal if they're responsible for running affiliate campaigns. Builder, sometimes called funnel builder, is for creating and editing funnels, courses, and pages. Community manager lets them manage community sections. Marketing is for creating campaigns, managing lists, and setting up sequences. Payments gives read-only access to financial information, and Workspace Administrator is full control over that specific workspace, so only give that to people you truly trust with everything in that area. If this person will be a manager, you can also set team-level privileges. Billing contact makes them the primary person for billing questions with Clickfunnels support. Team Administrator gives them full permission to manage other team members, assign roles, edit permissions, and access team-wide settings. This effectively makes them a manager over your team setup. Once you're happy with all of the privileges you've set, click Create Invitation. Clickfunnels will send an invitation email to the address you entered. Let your new team member know to check their inbox and also their spam or promotions folders if they don't see it right away. They'll need to open that email, click the link inside, and follow the prompts to accept the invitation and join your workspace with the roles and permissions you've just configured.